Hi, so this is a quick tutorial on how to do some of the basics with mortgages in Excel. So I made up this example here where we want to buy a $799,185 house. That's the sales price. And we want to make a 10% down payment. So in that problem, the down payment amount would be $799,185 times 10%, so times 0.1. So that's going to be the amount that you'd make for the down payment, and that would mean that the loan amount would be $799,185 minus the down payment amount. So that's going to be the loan amount. If we go back here and figure out if we suppose that we want to buy this house in 5 years and we want to have the down payment amount in 5 years, so we need to have this much money in 5 years, and I just made up this interest rate. To do that, we're going to need to plug in the payment function. The rate is 5%. Remember to divide by 12 for monthly. And for 5 years, 12 payments a year, that's a total of 60 payments. Because we want to have, in the future, we want to have that dollar amount, I'm going to click in the FV box, but I'm going to actually highlight this cell with the down payment amount. Okay. So this tells us that we need to have, we need to save that much money every month in order to have this down payment amount in 5 years. So the rest of this is for the mortgage itself. The interest rate on the mortgage we said was 10%. So you can either do 0.1 or just 10% divided by 12. So we're looking at the periodic interest rate. Okay. So, and I'm even going to clarify that this is the periodic interest rate. I want to make this have a few more decimal places though. So I'm going to increase the number of decimal places just so you can see it. So the monthly payments, we're going to go back again and use the PMT function. The rate, now this is the periodic interest rate, so we'll just pick the periodic interest rate. The number of periods for a 15-year loan, this is going to be 15 years times 12 payments a year, so 180. And for a mortgage, the loan amount is the present value. Okay, so before we use the future value, because that's where we're saving up. Now for borrowing money, the loan amount is the present value. So just pick the present value, type it in there, and this tells us that our monthly payment is $7,729.27. Now these numbers are showing up as negative, and to make it a little bit easier in the next step, I'm going to go ahead and put a negative sign here in front of, between the equals and the PMT, so that this stays positive. So in the first month, our balance is just going to be the loan amount. So we start out with the loan amount as our balance. The interest paid is going to be the balance for this month times the periodic interest rate. And we're always going to refer to that cell. So I'm going to hit F4, or you could just go in and do the dollar signs just to get the to fix that cell reference. So the first month we're paying $5,993.89 toward interest. Now the amount that goes toward the principal is just going to be the monthly payment subtract the amount of interest you paid, because whatever's left after you pay interest is going to go toward the balance of the loan. All right. And actually I want to fix this cell reference, this B6. I'm going to hit F4 there so that we can always refer to that cell. All right, now in month 2, our balance is going to be last month's balance minus the amount that was applied to principal. So that tells us, so we paid $1,735.39 against the balance. So it's going to be the balance minus that, and that's how much we still owe. Now in the second month, we're still going to multiply the amount due by the periodic interest rate. So we're going to just copy that cell right down. And you see that, that we actually pay a little bit less in interest the second month than we did the first month. And we're going to copy this cell down too. And we see that we've got a little bit more applied to principal. Now, once you've got that second row, and if you've got everything the way it should be, you can just take that and copy it down all the way till the loan is paid off. So in this case, this was a 180-month loan. So we should actually stop right here at month 180. So at month 181, you see that your balance is down to 0. All right, so that's all you have to do. And of course, let me know if you have any questions, but I do want you to fight with this a little bit and see if you can get it on your own. All right, that's it.